Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. We just started unboxing the S65TC series monitor from Samsung, and we wanted to make a quick video showing you how to assemble and install the pedestal, so check it out. First things first, you're going to want to make sure you have the box set up properly. There's a little tag over here on the top that says top. You want to make sure that's facing up so that you're opening the box in the proper orientation. This is what you should see after you remove the top piece of styrofoam that has all the parts in it. These are the two pieces that are going to be located in the top of the box. You have this base plate here with the little cuff on the top that you're going to put the neck into, and then the actual neck of the pedestal. Now, in addition to those, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. This is not provided in the box, so make sure you have one of these handy. Now we're going to pick up the neck of the stand, and we're going to fit the bottom onto this cuff here, and you want to make sure that the mounting portion is facing the longer part. And this, when it's on properly, should slide all the way down so that there's just the tiniest little gap down here. And then from here, we're going to turn it over, and you'll see a screw on the bottom. You can flip out this little D-ring here, and that you're just going to hand tighten clockwise until it gets pretty much as tight as you can hand tighten it. And then we're going to flip that down and then use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten it the rest of the way. And that's it. Now there are 4 other Phillips head screws down here, you can see. Those you're not going to touch. Those just stay as they are, so don't worry about those. It's just the one in the middle that you're tightening. And from there, this portion is now all assembled. Now you've got everything assembled here. At the top of the piece that attaches to the back of the monitor, you've got these 2 tabs that are sticking up. Those are going to go into these 2 cutouts here on the back of the monitor. And then the bottom portion of this right here will just snap into place at the bottom. So we'll line those up, and then you just kind of set it down, and you'll see this tab at the bottom goes up and down. That has to be in the down position, that way you know it's attached. Now if you want to remove the pedestal from the back of the monitor, you simply lift that piece up and it pops right back out. But for this video, we're going to leave it attached. And the last thing we're going to do is remove the monitor from the box, and to do that you're going to take either one of your hands around the base of the pedestal, other hand at the top of the pedestal, and you're simply just going to lift straight up to remove the monitor from the box.